Now, car maker Ford has announced it will cut 800 jobs in the UK over the next 3 years. The move is part of a major restructuring program, which will see 4,000 posts closed across Europe as a whole. This and more in our international business news roundup.
The company said it had to act because of difficult trading conditions, including intense competition and weak demand for electric vehicles. However, the cuts will not affect its manufacturing sites in Dagenham and Hollywood or its logistics based in Southampton. Ford said it hoped to make the majority of job cuts through voluntary redundancy. This is the second round of cuts to hit Ford's operation in Britain in less than 2 years. Meanwhile, wheat growers in several exporting countries are reluctant to sell their crops with prices near 4-year lows, leaving flour makers with dwindling supplies and vulnerable to any potential upswing in prices. The limited supply held by flour makers reduces their buffer against production shortfalls that would trigger a rally in world prices, with global reserves already projected to reach a 9-year low and fuel food inflation. Finally, Google must sell its Chrome browser, share data and search results with rivals, and take other measures, including possibly selling Android to end its monopoly on online search. The measures presented by the Department of Justice are part of a landmark case in Washington which has the potential to reshape how users find information. They would be in a place to up to a decade and forced via court-appointed committee to remedy what the judge overseeing the case deemed as an illegal monopoly in search and related advertising in the US, where Google processes 90% of searches. Winslow Spamba for Lunchtime News.